Innovation, collaboration and knowledge sharing. These are the pillars that define progress in today's fast-paced world. And here at the heart of Ahmedabad, Adani Group has brought these principles to life with this extraordinary event called the Knowledge Mall. This is Adani Knowledge Mall, where innovation takes center stage. There are as many as, in fact, more than 70 stalls where products, innovations and ideas are being showcased by professionals from within Adani. Let's go straight to Adani Power, which has an AI-based intelligent locker for isolation tool. Let's find what this is.
This is used before isolation in each and every industry, before issuing work permit. So basically what we have done is, we have, locked the handle. You can see the handle over there, right? That is the key for breaker isolation. Only if you wear full arc suit, only then this locker will open.
Petrochemicals Green PVC Digital Twin. So what is that?
See, basically, we are building a new plant at Mundra location. So it's a complex where we comprise 6 to 7 different plants into it.
Okay.
It's a complete value chain for coal to PVC.
Okay.
So we are starting from the coal and then taking its byproduct to next level and then further developing the final goal of PVC.
Okay. Let's go to Skill Center in Metaverse. This is by Adani Skill Development Center. Let's find out what this innovation is.
We are teaching new innovation courses through the VR. So, which is save as the cost, the consumable, and this is the maximum reach we are getting through this VR. This is known as a virtual reality. So, all the courses we are integrate this one. So they can have the real-time experience. For example, RTG crane operator. So you can work as a 400 feet heights with this VR in the virtual reality.
There is Adani Energy Solutions, attendance mobility solution for field force. There is Nano, no automation, no operations by Adani Total Gas Limited. We have augmented reality by Adani Connex. So what is that?
We are team Adani Connex here at this Knowledge Mall, presenting augmented reality for faster, smarter, better data center construction. So we have a QR code pasted over here. We just scan it and boom, you can see how the different services are getting installed, how the coordination will happen, the different stakeholders, and our Workman 2.0 will be able to seamlessly use it.
So that's called autonomous cleaning with world-class robots. Adani Airport Holdings Limited. Please explain what this is. We have robots here. Tell us what the robots are going to do.
This is a new initiative which we have taken at Ahmedabad International Airport. And now Ahmedabad International Airport has become the first airport in the country where entire floor cleaning of open spaces inside the terminals is happening only and only with the robots. So there is no manual cleaner doing the floor cleaning or any mechanized equipment. Only robots are managing the cleaning of open floor spaces of both the terminals. And we are the first airport in the country to achieve this fleet.
Adani Knowledge Mall is not just an event. It is an immersive experience where disruptive ideas take center stage. Adani Siemens, who have come up with Adani certified technology of value beyond cement. So what is this technology?
Yeah. So we are offering a package solutions to our customers, which is product, services and certified contractors. This helps us to retain customers throughout the project and extract the more value from the customers. And as a part of this solution, we have a very innovative product which is Kavach, where you can see here that it does not allow water to penetrate, and this is the magic. This is a magic product, and this is one of the differentiated solution which we are offering the customers.
Here is one by Defense and Aerospace. I'll just read what's written here. It says UAV launched precision guided ammunition. So this is an innovation by the defense team there. Let me go across to professionals here to try and understand what these products are.
This is one of the kind of the ammunition and munition which is developed by Adani in collaboration with DRDO. And this is the first product which is developed by DRDO within a span of 15 months. And this is a particular drone which has a ammunition which is just below that. If you see, there's a missile below. There's a drone with a missile. So if you see in India, all are surveillance drone. No drones have been fitted with any munitions. So this is the first of kind of equipment wherein Adani has developed in collaboration with DRDO. This is one of the, actually this is a weapon. This weapon is purely designed and developed by Adani Defense in collaboration with one of the partners. And this has a unique feature. You can fix a target from a location and then you lock it, but you don't fire it.
Okay.
You lock it in but don't fire it. You move the gun anywhere in the location, it doesn't fire.
Okay.
So once you bring back to the location where target is fixed, then automatically the target, the weapon will get fired.
And here we have Adani Realty with Primo Pass? Primo Pass, market pre-listing exercise. So what is that? It looks like a credit card or a card.
It gives you a lot of credit and a lot of importance if you use a Primo Pass. It's a cloud-based Bitly link.
Okay.
Everything is digital.
Okay.
Real estate works with distributors, which is your channel partners. We educate the channel partners. Channel partners will go to an end user and take their phone number down, take their email address and take their name and give them an Primo Pass. So once you have these three pieces of information, what we do is we call up the first person with a Primo Pass 001 to the booking table and then give him all the options. The three benefits that that person has is he has the benefit of a launch price. He's one of the first ones to come to me for a booking, right? He gets a special price. The second thing, he gets a choice of inventory. You can buy any unit which is available out of the entire building. And the last one is absolute transparency. You know who's your broker, you know who's the builder or who's the developer, and you're sitting at the table to close a deal.
So that is Knowledge Mall. We've been to several of the stalls here. They are brimming with cutting-edge technologies, ideas, innovation, and best practices that may be adopted across industries, not just within Adani, perhaps outside as well. So yes, this one thing is clear from Knowledge Mall within Adani Industries. This Knowledge Mall is not just an event. It's not just an idea, it is an ingrained culture within the organization, which means these ideas are only going to shape the future of industries across the country. Thank you for watching.